All right, let's talk about some things. Here's the 87. Yeah, so first off, let's talk about the fact that you got rid of the cut, which is great because I remember I told you like your body just naturally likes to self-organize at like higher intents. You clearly don't like to throw at lower intent. However, when you're in that like 60 to 70% range, the ball really comes out, which is why your rehab process right now, your return to throw, is very interesting because you're able to put 87 on the mound here fairly soon, which I know you wanted to be back like September 10th, but I mean this is a fantastic fucking spot. I'm not gonna lie. A couple things: the 85 versus the 87. This is the 85, I believe. Um, yeah, this is very straight. One thing I want to talk about with this one, I talk about center of mass a lot. Um, I love the relaxed position here. This is exactly what I like. And then you go from that relaxed to that glove tap, which means go. It's a relaxed and then go. However, on the 85, and you can watch these yourself, it looks much more relaxed with the front leg here and very linear to the plate, which is why I believe the ball came out perfectly straight. And I'm not saying flat, but like when we look, it's very relaxed here, up, down, flick right through it. But then when we look at the 87 here and we look at the lower half, we're doing a lot here. We're going like really back and then we kind of go up in front. So like instead of saying here, boom, we're kind of like boom, too much over here. And then we're kind of pulling off. And that's why I believe we kind of hooked it. Now it wasn't a cutter, which is really nice. You got rid of that. But it's clear that when you pull off, you are flailing this way. And I think it's because you got a little too much here, leaned over, and then you tried to compensate and pull off rather than being relaxed, boom, straight, right? That's just like a strikes thing, which is really nice. We're getting to a point where we can talk pitching, because I told you that on our very first phone call. Like we were talking too much pitching, but we weren't even throwing yet. But overall, this is fantastic, and I actually love the way the ball comes out. I love the dramatic finish. That's a very pitcher-esque finish. It looks like you're not afraid to throw the baseball. This release here, swinging around, that's throwing, and it's nice to see you do that. Moving forward, yeah, I want to see like an 88 on Saturday. Play it by ear, depending on how much you throw, on Wednesday and stuff like that. But this is a really good spot, and then from there we'll, flick a little slider here and there. I think change-ups might be a little more stress on the forearm, but other than that, it's a good spot, dude.